Autumn Blaze Maple, your fiery fall companion. Hi, Furbu here. As a landscape designer, I answer a lot of questions about trees, especially those that explode with color come fall. The Autumn Blaze Maple is a perennial favorite, and for good reason. Let's delve into this fiery tree and answer some of the most common queries I get. What is an Autumn Blaze Maple? The Autumn Blaze Maple is a hybrid, a beautiful cross between the red maple, Acer rubrum, and the silver maple, Acer saccharinum. It inherits the best qualities of both parents, the stunning red fall foliage of the red maple and the fast growth rate and adaptability of the silver maple. This vigorous grower boasts a mature height of 40 to 50 feet, with a broad oval shape reaching 30 to 40 feet wide. As a testament to its resilience, the Autumn Blaze Maple thrives in hardiness zones 4 to 8, tolerating a wide range of climates. Why choose an Autumn Blaze Maple? There are several reasons why the Autumn Blaze Maple is a popular choice for homeowners. Fiery fall foliage. This is the star of the show. The Autumn Blaze Maple lives up to its name with a dazzling display of orange-red leaves in fall. The vibrant color display is long-lasting, making it a true centerpiece in your landscape. Fast growth rate. Unlike some maples that take years to mature, the Autumn Blaze Maple grows quickly, providing shade and visual impact in a relatively short period. This is ideal for homeowners who want to enjoy the benefits of a mature tree sooner rather than later. Adaptable and tolerant. This easygoing tree tolerates a variety of soil conditions, including acidic, moist, well-drained, and even clay soil. It also handles full sun to partial shade, making it suitable for many planting locations. Drought tolerance. Once established, the Autumn Blaze Maple is surprisingly drought tolerant. This is a big plus in areas with hot, dry summers. Autumn Blaze Maple versus Red Maple. Both the Autumn Blaze Maple and the Red Maple are known for their stunning fall foliage. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Fall color. The Autumn Blaze Maple has a slightly brighter orange-red hue compared to the Red Maple's deep red color. Growth rate. The Autumn Blaze Maple grows considerably faster than the Red Maple. Branching habit. The Autumn Blaze Maple has a more upright branching structure, making it less prone to developing weak or codominant stems that require pruning. Pests and diseases. Both maples are susceptible to similar pests and diseases like aphids, anthracnose, and tar spot. Choosing between the two depends on your priorities. If you prioritize the fastest growth rate and a slightly brighter fall color, the Autumn Blaze Maple might be the better choice. If a classic deep red and a slower, more manageable growth habit are more important, the Red Maple could be a good fit. Autumn Blaze Maple versus October Glory Maple. I love the vibrant red foliage of the Autumn Blaze Maple, but the October Glory Maple's late fall color is a stunning finale to the season. Autumn Blaze Maple versus Red Sunset. Comparing the Autumn Blaze Maple to the Red Sunset, I find a Red Sunset's consistent red color throughout the fall to be more striking, even though both are beautiful. Autumn Blaze Maple versus Sugar Maple. While the Autumn Blaze Maple grows faster, the Sugar Maple's classic autumn hues and rich history make it my sentimental favorite. Autumn Blaze Maple versus Sun Valley. The Autumn Blaze Maple outshines the Sun Valley with its brilliant color transition, though I appreciate the Sun Valley's resistance to pests and diseases. How to care for Autumn Blaze Maple. Planting your Autumn Blaze Maple correctly sets the stage for a healthy and thriving tree. Here are some key points to remember. Planting time. The best time to plant your Autumn Blaze Maple is in late fall or early winter, when the tree is dormant. Location. Choose a location that gets full sun to partial shade. Ensure there's enough space to accommodate the tree's mature size. Soil preparation. Amend the planting hole with compost or aged manure to improve drainage and provide nutrients for the young tree. Watering. Water your Autumn Blaze Maple regularly, especially during the first few years after planting. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Pruning. Prune your Autumn Blaze Maple in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. This helps maintain a strong structure and removes any dead or diseased branches. With proper care, Your Autumn Blaze Maple will reward you with years of vibrant fall color and majestic shade. Is the Autumn Blaze Maple messy? Like most maples, the Autumn Blaze Maple does drop leaves in fall. However, the leaves are relatively small and decompose quickly, making cleanup manageable. Does the Autumn Blaze Maple have invasive roots? The Autumn Blaze Maple has a non-invasive root system, making it a good choice for planting near sidewalks and foundations with proper spacing. Is the Autumn Blaze Maple deer resistant? Unfortunately, deer find maples quite palatable, including the Autumn Blaze Maple. If deer are a concern in your area, consider planting deterrents or choosing a different tree species. By understanding the Autumn Blaze Maple's characteristics and care requirements, you can make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for your landscape. This fiery tree offers a beautiful combination of rapid growth, adaptability, and a show-stopping fall display. With a little planning and TLC, your Autumn Blaze Maple will become a cherished focal point in your yard for generations to come.